Did you know which is the most powerful engine in the world? It is RT Flex 96C, the largest and most powerful diesel engine made by Vaisala, Finland. Before we get started, please follow and like our page. We publish video every day. The engine can generate 1,08,920 horsepower and generate torque of more than 76,03,850 Newton meters, which is enough to power entire Suburban and Tier the war tank. The engine is 44 feet tall, 90 feet long and weighs is more than 2,300 tons, which is equal to 380 fully grown elephant. Each engine piston weighs 5.5 ton and height is 20 feet and the weight of the crankshaft is 300 ton. 14 pistons produce 1,08,920 brake horsepower, which is enough to power 500 SUVs of 200 HP. Every cylinder devours 6.5 ounces of diesel in one cycle and generate 5,700 kilowatts. The engine consumes 250 ton fuel every day to sail the ship. The common rail technology delivers maximum power at lower RPM, which reduces fuel consumption and emits lower harmful emissions. The engine is installed in MACHINES cargo ship and carry 11,000 TEU at speed of 31 knots. TEU stands for 20 feet equivalent unit. There are more than 300 RT Flex 96C engines in service or on order worldwide. There is vast heat recovery plant in engine and it generates electrical power about 12% of total engine power. This is the only technology available today which reduce fuel consumption and lower the emissions. You will amazed to know that the engine price is approx 27 million US dollar. So friends, how much horsepower your vehicle have? Comment below. Stay connected, be updated.